Virtual reality technology has taken a giant leap from the realms of science fiction into our daily lives, and its impact on education is groundbreaking. In a world where technology is rapidly advancing, VR stands out as a tool with the potential to revolutionize how we learn and interact with information. Creating immersive learning experiences. One of the most exciting aspects of VR in education is its ability to create immersive learning environments. Imagine history classes where students can virtually visit ancient civilizations, or science lessons where they can explore the human body from the inside. This level of engagement was once unthinkable, but VR makes it a reality, providing a deeper understanding and retention of complex subjects. Breaking the boundaries of the classroom. The traditional classroom, confined by four walls, has now expanded to limitless possibilities with VR. Students can embark on field trips to distant planets, deep oceans, or different time periods, all without leaving their desks. This not only makes learning more accessible but also ignites a passion for discovery and exploration in students. Enhancing practical skills through simulation. VR isn't just for theoretical learning, it's also a powerful tool for practical education. Medical students can perform virtual surgeries, engineering students can experiment with complex machinery, and art students can create three-dimensional spaces. These simulations provide hands-on experience in a safe and controlled environment, preparing students for real-world challenges. Tailoring education to individual needs. Every student learns differently, and VR technology is adept at catering to individual learning styles. Through customizable VR experiences, students can learn at their own pace and in a way that suits them best. This personalized approach is particularly beneficial for students with special educational needs, for whom traditional learning methods may be challenging. Preparing for the future. As we venture further into the 21st century, the skills required in the workforce are evolving. VR in education is not just about enhancing current teaching methods, it's about preparing students for a future where digital literacy is paramount. By integrating VR into the curriculum, we equip students with the technological proficiency needed for future careers. The integration of VR in education signifies a shift towards a more interactive, immersive, and personalized learning experience. It's an exciting time for educators and students alike as we embrace this new era of learning. With VR, the potential for education is not just enhanced, it's transformed, paving the way for a future where learning knows no bounds.